So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna solve the CBT-2 paper for accounts, state tax inspector and assistant tax officer, and specifically we have only the maths part to be solved, so we are doing that. And there are somewhere around 12 to 13 questions, and the maths part was very doable, very easy. Okay, so we're gonna see the solution की exactly solution किती असलेलो. थोडे questions असे असतात जे हांवें केल्ले solve, like for example in percentage, for example in ratio, प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस थोडे असे क्वेश्चन्स आसा जे हांवें सॉल्व करूं ना एज अ पर्टिक्युलर टॉपिक, बट आय हॅड शोड यू सिमिलर सोल्युशन्स इन दी शॉर्ट व्हिडियोज. ओके, सो इफ तुम्ही ते सगळे फॉलो केला देन मे बी मॅथ्स पार्ट तुमकां ऑफकोर्स इजी लागलाच आसतलो. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अँड दिस क्वेश्चन आय हॅड सॉल्वड इन दी टॉपिक पर्सेंटेज, जे हांवें 4 व्हिडियोज केल्ले. इन वन ऑफ द व्हिडियोज आय हॅव सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. ओके, what fraction of consumption must a person reduce so that the expenditure remains unchanged if price of wheat increases by 50%? What do we know about this? Price into consumption is expenditure. आणि हे कशें येता तेही आमकां हांवें तुमकां व्हिडियोन सांगलां. ओके, आमकां कितें म्हटलां, जो तुमचो एक्सपेंडिचर आसा तो सेम आसा. सपोज आतां एक्सपेंडिचर सेम आसला जाल्यार प्रायस आनी कन्जम्पशनाची इन रिलेशन कितें आसतलें, दॅट इज द इनवर्स रिलेशनशीप. ओके, इनवर्स रिलेशनशीप आसतली. सो नाव आमकां आतां कितें दिलां, आमकां प्रायसाचें दिलां दॅट इट इनक्रीजीस बाय 50%. सो दिस इज योर प्रायस एंड दिस इज योर कन्जम्पशन. 50% वी नो 1/2. सो इफ इट इज इनक्रीजीस बाय 50%, सपोज हो 2 आसा जाल्यार हो 3 जातलो. दिस इज योर ओरिजिनल and 2 plus 1 becomes 3. This is the new value. Okay, and I just now I told you that price and consumption तेंच्यामध्ये inverse relationship आसा. कित्याक आसा? Because expenditure आमचो unchanged आसा, that remains same. So this is nothing but 3/2. So consumption तुमचो कितलो जाता? 3/2 जाता. आणि आमकां आतां विचारला what fraction of consumption must a person reduce? कितलो consumption reduce जाता? 3च्यान 2 जाता. 1 reduce जालो. कितल्यार जालो? 3 जालो. सो ह्यो 1/3 तुमचो आन्सर हा. पर्सेंटेजान विचारिल्लें जाल्यार 100 करता आसलें. सो अरावंड तुमकां 33.33% अशें कितें येता आसलें. ओके, now successive discount of 20% and 10% are equivalent to a single discount of how much? See guys, discount as always you know it is denoted as minus. Okay, it is always denoted as minus. तुमकां एक फॉर्म्युला हांवें सांगलेलो, a plus b plus ab upon 100. सिमिलरली तोच यूज करपा जाय. 20% डिस्काउंट आसा मिन्स -20, 10% डिस्काउंट आसा मिन्स -10. यो प्लस हांगाच दवरा, -20 इंटू -10 अपॉन 100. यो आनी यो गेलो, यो आनी यो गेलो. -2 इंटू -1 +2. सो -30 +2 कितलो आयलो? -28% डिस्काउंट आयलो. दॅट इज 28. हांगा मायनस सायन कित्याक बरयना? बिकॉज इट इज ऑफकोर्स अंडरस्टूड दॅट डिस्काउंट मिन्स मायनस. What is the cost price of an article which is sold at a loss of 20% for 160? ओके, कॉस्ट प्रायस फायंड करपा जाय आमकां. व्हेरी सिंपल. सपोज तुमच्या कडेन कितें एक कॉस्ट प्रायस दिला आनी कोणें म्हटलां दॅट इट इज इनक्रीज बाय 50%. तुमी कितें करतले? 50% ऑफ दीस कॉस्ट प्रायस. तेन्ना तुमकां खंयचो तरी एक सेलिंग प्रायस मेळटलो. बट हांगा हें करपाची गरजूच ना. ओके, हें करपाची गरजूच ना. CP कॉमन घेया, 1 + 1/2 CP इंटू 3/2. okay, so basically मी कितें केला, 50% we know that it is half, and when we say that it is increasing by 50% we do nothing but यो 2 असोच बरयता, 2 + 1 करून 3 करतात आमी, which is same as this only. okay, which is same as this only. so now आमकां आतां सांगला कॉस्ट प्रायस फायंड करपा. लेट आवर कॉस्ट प्रायस बी x and it is sold at a loss of 20%. 20% means कितलो? 5. लॉसार वयता जाल्यार कितलो जातलो ह्यो? 5 - 1 4/5. 4/5 and this is your selling price. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. X is nothing but 5 4s are 20 and यो 200 रुपया. So option A. okay, an article was sold for rupees 935 at a profit of 10%. what is the cost price? 10% कितलो आसा? 1/10. प्रॉफिटार वयता तेका लागून कितलो जाता? 10 + 1 11/10. okay, this is always your original and this is your new value. आणि यो न्यू व्हॅल्यू केजेर डिपेंड जाता वेदर इट इज इनक्रीजिंग ऑर डिक्रीजिंग. इनक्रीज जालो जाल्यार 10 + 1 करा, डिक्रीज जालो जाल्यार 10 - 1 9/10 करा. सिंपल. सो कॉस्ट प्रायस फायंड करपा लागून एंड एट अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10% दॅट इज 11/10 इक्वल्स टू योर सेलिंग प्रायस. 11 8s are 88, 11 5s are. So X is nothing but your 850. That is A. Here 11 minus 2x is 15 minus 3x. Find the value of x. Very simple, cross multiplies कर पाता है. 6 11s are 66 minus 12x equals to 75 minus 15x. 15 यावटीन वरतकीर 3x मेळटा and 75 minus 66 is 9. X is 3. Option C. A shopkeeper gives a 15% discount on an article and sold it for rupees 5270. Find the least price, that is MRP price. जेन्ना तुमकां डिस्काउंट दिता that is always given on your MRP. So MRP आसता पळय तेजेर तुमकां डिस्काउंट दिता, डिस्काउंट पर्सेंट. ओके, आनी हो डिस्काउंट पर्सेंट दिवन तुमकां जो मेळटा that is the selling price for the shopkeeper. ओके, सो सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट तुमकां यूज करपा जाय. आमकां सांगला फायंड द लिस्ट प्राइस दॅट इज MRP ऑफ दीस आर्टिकल. एक्स कन्सिडर करया. डिस्काउंट कितलो दिता? 15% अपॉन 100. हेजो रेशियो कितलो आसतलो? 3/20. आतां आमकां डिस्काउंट दिला जाल्यार आमी कितें करतले? 20 minus 3 that is 17 upon 20 equals to 5270. 17 3s are 51, 17 1s are 17, 0. So x is nothing but 6200, which is your option C. Okay. The price of a newspaper was increased by 20%, which affected the volume of the sale, and decreased in sale of number by copies by 10%. What is the income? See, तुमचो price आणि तुमचो sale, price आणि तुमचो sale which gives you income. Okay, याद दवरा. Let us consider this as your price, this is your sale, and this is your income. Price ते म्हणटा कितलो जाला? It is increased by 20%. We know 20% is 5. So your 5 आसा increase जावन तो 6 जातलो. Okay, तेंच्यांनी म्हटलं the sale in the number of copies it is decreased by 10. 10% is nothing but 1/10. So your 10 आसा जाल्यार decrease जावन तो 9 जातलो. Income कितलो मेळ्ळा? 50 आनी हांगा कितलो मेळ्ळा? 54. What is the effect on the income? कितलो increase or decrease जाला? 50च्यान 54 4 increase जाला. On what? On 50 into 100. 51s are 52s are. This is 8% increase. Option B. The selling price. Okay, this is your selling price of your A and B. Selling price of two brands of OTG A and B are in the ratio 9:5. Brand A is sold at a price of rupees 4200 more than brand B. That means this 4 part is nothing but your 4200. One part is how much? 4 1s are 4, 0, 4 5s are 20 and 0. One part is 20. Then what is the selling price of brand of B? 5 part कितलो आसतलो? 0, 2, 5 and 5. So 5250 is the selling price of brand B, which is option C. Okay, a vendor bought 6 lemons for rupees 12. Okay, the price at which he must sell 1 lemon. Okay, आमकां 6 लेमनाचो प्राइस कितलो दिला? 12 रुपया दिला. 1 लेमनाचो प्राइस कितलो आसतलो? 2 रुपया. आमकां 1 लेमनाचो हे विचारला सेलिंग प्राइस टू गेन 20%. So this is nothing but your 2 is your cost price. 20% we know it is 5, and since we want to gain it, it becomes 6/5 equals to 12/5, which is 2.4. Simple. Option D. Value of this. I have even showed you this BODMAS rule. याद करा BODMAS. BODMAS याद करा. This is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay, याद करा. सो सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट हांगा अप्लाय करतले. पयलीं आमी कितें सॉल्व करतले? पयलीं आमी डिविजन सॉल्व करतले, आमी मल्टिप्लिकेशन सॉल्व करतले आनी बाकीचे मागीर. ओके, 4 minus 0.9 plus 0.1, 4 minus 0.8, which is 3.2. Okay, what is the period of time taken for a principal amount of rupees 450 to fetch 81 as an interest at a rate of 4.5% per annum simple interest rate? हो सुद्दां हांवें सिंपल एंड इंट्रस्ट टॉपिक 3 विडियोज केल्ले, 3 or 4 विडियोज केल्ले, तेतून हांवें ह्यो एक्सप्लेन केल्लो प्रॉपरली. फॉर्म्युला यूज करतात. सिंपल इंट्रस्ट इज नथिंग बट PTR upon 100. ओके, सिंपल इंट्रस्ट इज 81, principal is 450. Your time we need to find. Your rate is 4.5, which can be written as 45/10 for a calculation purpose, and this is as usual 100. Yo ani yo gelo. Okay, so 9 9s are 81, 9 5s are, 9 1s are, 9 5s are, 5 2s are and 5 2s are. So your T is nothing but your 4 years. That is option C. Okay. Two complementary angles are in the ratio 7:11. The angle with the bigger measurement. Guys, this is a topic of trigonometry. दोन तरेचे angles असतात, एक complementary असता, एक supplementary असता. Suppose there are two angles x and y. आम्ही यांका complementary केन्ना म्हणटले when their sum is 90 degrees. आणि एक असता supplementary angles. आम्ही हे दोन अँगलाक supplementary केन्ना म्हणटले when their sum is 180 degrees. Okay. So आमका सध्या complementary विचारला whose sum is 90 degrees. So we'll solve for this. Okay. Ratio दिला 7x plus 11x is 90 degrees. 18x is 90 degrees. X is what? 5. The angle with the bigger measurement, that is 11x. 11x kitla? 11 into 5, that is 55. Option A. Very simple. By selling a product at rupees 2400, a person incurs 25% loss. For earning 25% profit, at what rate must he sell the product? So basically आमका हांगा सेलिंग प्राइस दिला. पहिले आमी कॉस्ट प्राइस फाइंड करतले. कॉस्ट प्राइस फाइंड करतकीर आमी यो प्रॉफिट लावन सेलिंग प्राइस फाइंड करतले. Very simple. X is the cost price we have to find. We are given that incurs 25% loss. 25% is nothing but 1 by 4. Since he incurs loss, it becomes 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4 is 2400. So therefore x is how much? 3 ones are 3 is 2400. So x is 3200. This is your cost price. Now we want to find the selling price where he gains a profit of 25%. So your cost price into gains a profit of 25%. Now it becomes 5 by 4. 5 by 4 equals to 4 ones are 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 1 and 2. So your selling price where he will gain 25% profit is 4,000. Option A. Okay. So we are done with this. Suppose तुम्ही 13 out of 13 हे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व केला, देन तुम्ही करपाक जाय. कित्याक? बिकॉज अप्रॉक्स 8 to 9 क्वेश्चन्स हांवें म्हाज्या विडियोजान सॉल्व केला. जे लेक्चर्स हांवें घेवना तेंचो अप्रोच हांवें युजली शॉर्ट्स विडियोजान दाखयला वेन आय वॉज सॉल्विंग द PYQ ऑफ अदर पेपर्स ऑफ गोवा SSC. तितून हांवें सगळें एक्सप्लेन केल्लें. सपोज तुम्ही ते पळोवना एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व देन आय रियली डोंट नो वॉट यू आर डुईंग ओवर हियर. ओके. सो मेक शुअर नेक्स्ट टायम सुद्दां SSC एग्जाम आन्सर करतना प्लीज हे व्हिडिओ पळयात जितले हांव करता. बिकॉज हे म्हाका लागून करना, हे तुमकां लागून करता. सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू रियली क्लियर देन प्लीज वॉच इट. अदरवायज तुमची मर्जी कितें करपाक जाय. ओके. सो इफ यू आर टील हियर then thank you for watching this video and we'll see you soon with other video. Happy studying. Bye bye, take care and see you soon.